sweet watermelon lemon ginger crush or sweet watermelon lemon ginger crush bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lemon recipes and one of the most different of the ginger recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the desert recipes and one of the most unique of the sweets recipes and one of the most different of the street food recipes. Today we're going to make watermelon lemon ginger sweet crush or watermelon ginger lemon bowl crush. We have taken around 250 grams of watermelon and taken off the green portion, and we have taken the red flesh and cut into small pieces. Put in 2 to 5 spoons of sugar, you can put more or less as per your taste. Crush the watermelon, mix the watermelon with the sugar, thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix the watermelon and the sugar together. Now crush the watermelon pieces. Press and crush watermelon pieces. Crush the bigger pieces into smaller, smooth pieces. Mix and crush. Now pour in around 30 ml of lemon ginger syrup. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Mix the lemon ginger syrup with the watermelon. Crush. Heat the pan and pour in 5 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in cashew. Into the oil. Around 15 grams. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Sort thoroughly until the cashews are nicely brown. Now take off the cashew in the pan after it has been browned. Now put in the raisins, salt, salt thoroughly, until the raisins swell up. Now take them off the pan. Now put in the raisins and the cashew on top and mix thoroughly. Now this can be served. This is the final sweet watermelon lemon ginger crush bowl, or sweet watermelon lemon ginger crush. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the crush recipes, and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes, and one of the most different of the lemon recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the ginger recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the street food recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.